This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan wraps. First, let's gather all our ingredients on a clean workspace. You will need about 4 large flour tortillas, a half cup of your favorite hummus, and a generous amount of fresh vegetables. Don't forget a protein like seasoned black beans or baked tofu. Having everything prepared beforehand saves you time and ensures a smooth cooking experience. Now, let's prepare those delicious fillings that will make your wrap shine. Begin by spreading your chosen hummus or avocado mash smoothly across each tortilla. Next, finely chop 1 cup of crisp lettuce, half a cup of juicy tomatoes, and about 1/4 cup of colorful bell peppers. If you are adding a protein, like 3 ounces of seasoned baked tofu, make sure it is ready to go. With your fillings prepared, it is time to assemble these wonderful wraps. Lay 1 large tortilla flat on your clean cutting board. Spread about 2 tablespoons of your creamy hummus or avocado evenly over the surface, leaving roughly 1 inch around the edges. Then, gently pile your chopped vegetables and protein, like 2 ounces of sliced cucumber and 3 tablespoons of black beans, in a line down the center of the tortilla. Do not overfill. The key to a perfect wrap is in the roll. Carefully fold the bottom edge of the tortilla up and over your fillings, tucking it in snugly. This creates a secure base. Then, fold in both the left and right sides of the tortilla towards the center, overlapping the filling slightly. Now, starting from the bottom, roll the entire wrap upward, keeping it tight and compact. This technique prevents any delicious fillings from escaping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.